The nature and complexity of clinical trials are changing significantly, especially with the introduction of novel therapeutics, and more vendors are required to keep your trial operational. However, per regulator guidelines, sponsors must conduct sufficient study oversight. That includes having plans and activities to oversee vendors, which is a daunting task when so much data is scattered across various systems and vendors. Like you, I've been in many situations where my team had to manually merge Excel reports to reconcile lab samples, critical data, apheresis tracking records, and temperature deviations, to name a few. This preoccupied my team and was also costly to our sponsor clients. CliniBiz is a CRO that uses technology and automation to make clinical trials more efficient and affordable. Let's say you want to reconcile lab kits to ensure they are all accounted for. But you have data in two places, EDC and the central lab databases. You have to combine and merge the data between the databases, but the patient and study visit ID are different. Would you A. Compile EDC and lab datasets and manually reconcile them in Excel? Or B. Reach out to clinical IT to help? I want you to pause this video right now and write your vote in the comments section below. Also, could you elaborate on why you chose your option? Let's explore both options. If you chose option A, you know that you can get the reconciliation done on time, but the manual process will take a lot of time and effort. If you chose option B, your clinical IT department can make the report more efficient, but it may not be their priority and may take even longer than the manual process by the time they get to it. At CliniBiz, we kept thinking to ourselves, how can we use technology and automation to address this issue? This thinking led us to access our computer data science research team to generate customized algorithms to integrate into various systems and automate the reconciliation processes. Our data science team essentially integrated a variety of databases to reconcile samples or support our monitors by enabling them to access statistical visualizations identifying data outliers. Surprisingly, the upfront cost for developing these systems was inexpensive and highly flexible. Additionally, freeing up study team resources and the increased quality from manual mistakes allowed us to pass on the cost savings and quality in study execution to our sponsor clients. Imagine weeks of manual work now automated and accessible with the click of a button. This is just one example of how you can make clinical trials more efficient and affordable. The technology nowadays is so flexible that we can now develop highly customized automation solutions to transform manually intensive processes from multiple data sources into one source with the click of a button. P.S. Many vendors have open API systems that allow for easy integration. You may want to ask your clinical IT department to see if they can support you in developing more efficient reports and data integrations. If you're not sure where to start, reach out to us, and we're happy to give you some advice on how to automate your manual clinical trial burdens.